Split screen mode is one of the most useful multitasking features available on the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. It allows you to use two compatible apps at the same time on a single screen. For example, you can watch a YouTube video while replying to messages, browse the web while taking notes, or compare two documents without constantly switching between apps. To get started, open the first app that you want to use. This will become one half of your split screen layout. Next, open the Recent Apps screen. If you're using the traditional navigation buttons, simply tap the Recents button at the bottom of the display. If you are using gesture navigation, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold for a moment until your recently opened apps appear. Locate the app you want to keep open in split screen mode. Instead of tapping the app itself, tap the app icon displayed at the top of its preview card. A small menu will appear with several options. Select Open in Split Screen View. The chosen app will immediately snap to the top half of the screen or the left side if you are using your phone in landscape mode. The bottom half will display your recently used apps and app drawer. Simply tap the second app you want to use and it will fill the remaining half of the screen. You can adjust the amount of space each app uses by dragging the divider between them. If you want to switch apps, close one app, or return to full screen mode, simply drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom of the screen. Keep in mind that not every app supports split screen mode. If an app isn't compatible, the option may not appear or the app may open in full screen instead. That's everything you need to know about split screen mode. We hope this guide helped and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.